Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check is your REALME C71 in IMEI.info lost database. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all checking options on this page, and in the same video I'm showing how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71 step by step, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C71, as you can see, but we need to scroll down a little bit more to the downside until we find the basic checks. And the last option is the lost device check. Simply click on that. In here we have the IMEI number of our device. If you have the second IMEI, you can also type it, and same thing with the serial number, but it's not necessary. And now click on this blue button, check lost/stolen status. And as you can see, this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. We can below see the incident date, where it happened, the country, the city, the description of the loss, how it was, I even rhymed, and the price if someone will find it, $80, the contact name, and the email number, the phone number, is it verified, verification date, is it reported, the date on which the report was created at, and below we can also perform the blacklist simple check and order the premium version of it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.